Hello guys and welcome back to Salty Tales. Today we come back again with that. Look at it, look at it, look at it. You like it? It's awesome, man. Today we're gonna be cooking for you guys some beautiful chicken wings. And we have here
Wingstop style French fries.
Yeah baby, Winstop. French fries are the best in the market. We love them, the flavor, everything is awesome. And we're gonna try to replicate that one today. So I'm gonna be filming, Miss Ninja is gonna be cooking. Let's go for it!
And like I always do, preheat your Ninja for 5 minutes so you can cook everything faster. So let's go ahead and do it. We're going to air crisp our chicken wings out of 400 temperature. And let's set up our preheating time. Five minutes. And we'll see you right back here in 5 minutes. And for 10 chicken wings here, we're gonna go through all the simple ingredients, which is gonna be half of a lemon. We're gonna squeeze it all over. Then we're gonna add up some salt, some garlic powder, just a little bit of oil. And now we're just gonna mix, and that's about it. It's done to 5 minutes, so we're gonna set up our Ninja. Let's set up our air crisp basket in. Very careful. And let's get our chicken wings inside. And we'll see you back here in 30 minutes. 0 seconds left. They're done. I'm going to add Frank's buffalo sauce. They're ready. You hear that beat? Let's take him out. I'm gonna set him up in this pot so I can shake him really well with the sauce. Look at this beautiful, awesome color. They look just gorgeous. Look at this, how pretty. We're gonna let them rest with the sauce. Look at this beautiful color. Look at this, how gorgeous. Just perfect wings.
Alright guys, let's get over with this thing, man. It's always the same thing every time we do chicken wings. What you have to do is you put it in there, you put a tap on it, you hold it and get ready. Go for it, Miss Ninja. Let's see how.
More, dude.
Woo!
And now for our Wingstop fries, we're gonna use the next ingredients. Very simple. Some sea salt, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, chili powder, and some sugar. A little bit of oil. And let's mix. Our fries are being seasoned already. Our Ninja has been preheated for 5 minutes, so let's set it up for the fries. Air crisp, 375, 13 minutes. Press start, open your lid, and let's put our fries inside. Oh, hear that? Shh. I love it. Let's close our lid and we'll see you back in 30 minutes.
Hey, what do you guys think, man? This thing look and smell, I cannot describe the smell.
They're beautiful.
Awesome.
Beautiful.
And I'm pretty hungry. This is our dinner, so I think we should go and dig for it.
Look at this, how gorgeous. Look at this. The smell. I mean, this chicken wings, they came out seriously awesome.
We're missing the delicious. Let's see if it's delicious.
Let's see if it's delicious.
Oh man.
My favorite. Oh my gosh. This is like yum.
Oh wow.
Perfectly done. Up in the middle.
Guys.
Perfectly done.
This thing is delicious, man. This thing is awesome. I'm sorry, Mr. Georgie.
I know.
This thing is good.
Good. really, really good.
Let's see the taste of the fries. Let's see if it's as good as Winstop. Oh wow, I have to do it again.
Onion powder and garlic powder.
Alright, we have Mr. Georgie here. He came to say hello. He's crazy about the videos too. So he came to say hello. Now you're gonna go back to your cage? Yes? Go back to your cage. Guys, this is a success. This thing is awesome. The potatoes are not exactly like the Winstop, but they are so good on their own self. It's really, really, really good potatoes. We have to keep trying those Winstop fries, man. Those things are amazing. But this one is as good as that one. The taste is different. It doesn't taste the same. The consistency on this one, I like it a little bit better. I like these softy potatoes. Are you hungry?
I'm hungry. But these wings are so good.
So good.
They came out so good.
Somebody doesn't want to even talk today.
I don't. Listen, nothing to envy from any wings out there. I'm being serious. We should try different flavors. I mean, buffalo is my favorite, definitely.
Nothing can beat that, but it has those Parmesan chicken wings that are awesome. The garlic ones. I forgot the lemon pepper. Lemon pepper, that thing is good.
Barbecue. You can try any flavor you want. But what else can we ask for? Wings in literally 13 minutes.
It was 13
minutes exactly.
And that's, you know, it's really, really good. I normally do them in the barbecue, and it takes me about an hour. But this one were really quick. The flavor is awesome. I mean, it's really, really good stuff.
The whole recipe, it will be in the description box.
Everything is gonna be in the description below, guys. There you have it, guys. If you like it, please hit us with a like. If you want to know more about it, everything is gonna be in the description below. And please leave your comments down there. Speak your mind. Tell us whatever you have to tell us. Ask any question, whatever you want, guys. We are here to help you out getting better on your kitchen. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you on the next one.
And we love you.
Woo, baby.